Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today, as you can see by the title, we are unboxing our October Boxycharm, and I am hella excited, you guys. I already opened my box. You guys know that I do a try-on style, so we're going to be testing out all the products in this month's box. So if you guys want to get ready with me, or if you guys want to see me try these Boxycharm products out, then go ahead and keep on watching. I am ready for the day. I have my agua fresca de Jamaica. It's one of my favorite aguas frescas. I want to know which one is your favorite agua fresca. So how many times can I say that word? Anyways, let's jump right into the Boxycharm. So again, excuse me, this is the little packet or the little tarjetita that we get in our Boxycharm every month. Now on the back it has a 10% off coupon from It Cosmetics, yada yada yada. And as always, it has the prices, the names of the products, and all the info that we need. In this box we got this Ahaha mineral hand cream. This retails for $10. Now that it's getting super cold, especially here in Utah, guys, oh my god, like, okay, so we usually get really cold, like we get the cold pretty quickly here in Utah, and this year it was so unexpected. We literally went from like hot weather to raining to super cold. Right now it's not as cold today, but these past days, because it has been raining, it's been so cold outside and I was not ready. So far, I like that cream. It does feel very like moisturizing on the skin. And what is this hair doing? It has a mind of its own. We also received this, I'm not sure how to pronounce the name on this brand and not going to butcher it, but it's Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I actually put this on my daughter's hair last night when she got out of the shower, and it smelled so good and her hair felt super soft. And once I went in to brush it, like, she had no tangles. So I already tried this last night on her. She really liked it. This retails for $16. The other products that we have really quickly is the Kat Von D Bone and Arrow. Guys, when I saw this last night when I opened my Boxycharm, I was so excited because I have been wanting this specific liquid lipstick shade for such a long time, and I never bought it because I'm cheap. And so when I saw it on my Boxycharm, I was like, yes, we're meant to be together. This is by Kat Von D, and these retail for $20. We also have the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This retails for $24. And last but not least, we have the Pure Cosmetics The Complexion Authority Palette. Or actually, it's the Midnight Masquerade Palette. This is a 10-piece face palette, and it retails for $38. We have 3 blushes and 1 highlight, and then on this side you have, this is the part where we have the eyes. Unfortunately, there's only 1 matte, which is this brown one, so I am going to have to dig into other palettes. I'm going to take this Corally Peach blush, and I'm just going to pop it onto my cheeks. That is super pigmented. Oh, that's actually really pretty. It's like a really soft peachy pink. I thought it was going to be a lot more pink, but it's not. And I'm taking this highlighter, which is called Twilight. Wow, okay. I didn't think it was going to be too pigmented because on the pan, it doesn't really seem like it would be pigmented. That's really pretty. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am taking Sneak Peek, which is that dark brown, and I'm just going to pack it onto the crease, literally right in the crease. I'm not going to worry about blending first. I'm just going to pack it on. Now I'm going to pick up another palette because this palette just doesn't have enough shades for me to play around with. I am taking this red right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to blend everything together. For the center of the lid, I'm going to take the shade Mask Off, which is this really pretty like green golden shade. Oh, that's pretty. I knew this was going to be a pretty color, which is why I chose it, because it just called to my name. I'm just going to do this off camera, and then I'm going to come back because I think I'm going to use a little bit of this purple and apply it on the lower lash line. So give me just 1 minute. I'm going to take the Crayon Mattes Multi-Use Pencil by Makeup Forever. I believe these are for your waterline, so I'm just going to pop that into my waterline because I am taking that same palette with that purple shade and running it through the lower lash line. And this purple isn't matte, but that's okay because I think it'll look nice underneath the lash line. So I'm just going to pack it on and then blend it. I'm actually going to use it wet because it looks like it'll look prettier that way. So this is again the Superhero by It Cosmetics mascara. Oh, I love these wands. They make it so easy to get into your lashes. Fuck my eye! Oh my god, you guys, I am living, dying, breathing, and coming back to life to slay everyone with this look. I am obsessed. I'm taking this lip liner by Makeup Forever. This is in the shade Limitless Brown, and then I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Bone and Arrow liquid lipstick. Okay guys, so this is the finished look on the palette. I am just obsessed with how this whole makeup turned out. I loved every single thing in this month's box, even the little hand cream. Like, I'm gonna keep that in my purse because it smelled good and it felt good. The total on this month's box is, if I am correct, the total of this box is $108 versus $21 that you pay. I think is a great deal. I absolutely love my Boxycharm, and I hope you guys loved this video. Definitely let me know if you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you guys are going to recreate it. I would love to see it. Thank you ladies for joining me today. I love you, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye!